Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 grammar success with composition revision exercise part 2. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, kinds of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, modal verbs, adjectives, degrees of comparison, use of articles, phrases and sentences, framing questions, question tags, relative pronouns, adverbs, and also a revision exercise part 1. Okay, so here look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here in this video we will discuss about the remaining part of exercise 1. Okay, so in the part 1 we had discussed about up to exercise E, right? So here in this video we will discuss from F. So here form adjectives from the following words and write in the space provided. So here infection, okay, infection, infectious, right? So here you have to write infectious. The next here glory, glory, glorious. The next here memory, memory, memorable. Memory, memorable. The next here courage, courage, courageous. The next here mischief, mischievous. So here the next are danger, dangerous. The next are athlete, athletic. The next are study, studious. The next are season, seasonal. The next are mystery, mysterious. The next are fashion, fashionable. The next are nature, natural. The next are comfort, comfortable. The next are nation, national. The next are attraction, attractive. Okay, attractive. The next are center, central. The next are humor, humorous. The next are same. So here you can add here okay, same less or same full. So here suffix full or less can be added here. The next are fame, famous. The next are pen. So here full and less suffix can be added, painful or painless. Clear? The next here correct the following sentences and rewrite them. So here iron is most useful than any other metal. So here there is wrong use of okay, degrees of comparison. So here just you have to erase most, use more in place of most. Iron is more useful than any other metal. The next here Mohan is my older brother. So here older, this is wrong. You have to use elder. Okay. Mohan is my elder brother. The next here health is more preferable than wealth. So here preferable than more preferable than. So this is the wrong part here. You have to make it rectify. Health is preferable to, not than. Okay. So here it is wrong to use preferable than. Like prefer to, not prefer than, senior to, not senior than. Okay, so similarly here health is preferable to wealth. Okay, so you have to make here correction. You have to erase more preferable than. You have to only use health is preferable to wealth, not than wealth. Clear? My both eyes are infected. So here there is no use of using both. So erase both. My eyes are infected. The next are Ankit is cleverer than any other student in the class. So here Ankit is the cleverest. So here you have to use the superlative degree. Okay, Ankit is the cleverest student. Is the cleverest student. The next here Asha was the tallest of the two sisters. So here comparison is made between two. So there is wrong use of superlative degree, tallest. तो here you have to use taller in place of tallest. Comparative degree should be used. The next here, I prefer tea than coffee. So if there is a prefer, junior, senior, so don't use than, use to. Okay, I prefer tea to coffee, not than. The next here, he is inferior than Satish in intelligence. So here same here, inferior is used. So erase than, use to. Okay, he is inferior to Satish in intelligence. The next here, fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. This is dash time. So here, as you know, ordinal is used. Okay, first, so here you have to use the. This is the first time I have visited a village. The next here, dash Ganges. So here before river you have to use the. The Ganges is a mighty river. It falls into the Bay of Bengal. The next, last night we saw a European, a not an, okay, a European eating an egg. The next year, Anita is dash Asian, an Asian by birth and not a European. The next year, here is dash pen that you have always wanted. That means we are talking about a particular pen, so here the should be used, definite article. The next year, he lay unconscious for dash hour, an hour and a half. The next, I saw dash old man, an old man walking on the road. The next, John is dash smallest. So here superlative degree is used, so use the. John is the smallest boy in the class, but Peter is the biggest. So here superlative degree biggest is used, so use definite article the. The next, I would like to buy a pair. So here pair is used, so you need to use indefinite article a. I would like to buy a pair of stockings and a couple of. So here couple is used, so use a. The next year, dash school is very cold. The school is very cold. Hasn't it got a central heating system? So here a. Clear? The next year, write the following sentences correctly by placing the words in their proper order. Put punctuation mark also. So here, is kitchen in charge C of the. C is in charge of the kitchen. So here you have to start the sentence with a capital letter, okay, S, and end the sentence with a full stop. The next year, name you can, your please spell, can you. So you have to start the sentence with a capital letter and end the sentence with a question mark. Can you spell your name, comma, please. The next year, reserve table I would a to please like. I would like to reserve a table. Okay, then use comma, then at the end of the sentence use full stop. Okay. The next year, some I please have bread can. Here, can I have some bread please? So here start the sentence with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Clear? Then next here, non-smoking that is smoking or is that smoking or non-smoking? The next year, what and time you table want do the art and, okay, start the sentence with a capital letter and a, okay, capital letter. And what and at what time do you want the table? End the sentence with a question mark. The next, for special December banquets prices in Christmas. Special Christmas prices for banquets in December. So here use exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation. The next year, have do reservation you. Do you have a reservation? So here you have to start the sentence with the capital letter D and end the sentence with the question mark. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.